The Supreme Court affirmed a decision by North Carolina's top court, but rejected the so-called independent state legislature theory. At issue is the question of whether state legislatures should have sole authority over administering federal elections, particularly when it comes to congressional maps. The rejected theory claims that the Constitution's election clause allows state legislatures to regulate federal elections without interference from state courts. Using that logic, a group of Republican lawmakers from North Carolina argued the state's Supreme Court had no authority to set aside congressional maps drawn by the state's legislature. The case, Moore v. Harper, stems from North Carolina's most recent redistricting efforts, when the conservative majority on the North Carolina Supreme Court overturned a previous ruling disallowing partisan gerrymandering, paving the way for Republicans in the state to redraw the state's congressional lines heavily in favor of the GOP. However, in a 6-3 majority decision, the Supreme Court affirmed state legislatures are not insulated from, quote, the ordinary exercise of state judicial review. The ruling featured the court's 3 liberal justices in the majority, alongside conservatives Chief Justice John Roberts and Brett Kavanaugh. Had the Supreme Court embraced the North Carolina GOP argument, it would have affected not only redistricting disputes, but also would have altered other election-related rules on matters such as access to the polls and mail-in voting.